What's up, everyone? We have here a 2015 Honda CRV that we are going to be replacing the front brakes, disc, rotors, pads, end links, and sway bar bushing. Let's go hop on, take it for a short ride. So that's good. 112,000 miles. I don't know if you guys can hear that noise. Alright, we got the tires removed. So here's the rotors. Yep, it definitely needs to be replaced. Pads. Let's see. Yep, they're due. So here's the end link. You can easily move it around. And there's the bushing. So this is what we're going to do. All right, update on that bolt. It's just seized up. See how wiggly it is? That's the one that's making a lot of noise. So we've come to this part that we're gonna cut it right on that side, and we're gonna cut it on this side. And I don't have a stand to hold the phone to record it, so I'll see you later. Right, it's out. It's right there. It's got right there. Debris everywhere. There's the other bolt. All right, now let's try to remove that. Let's double check. All right, same height, length, whatever it is, same measurements. It's all good. Put it right there. All right. We're ready to remove the first bolt. Just right there. So now we're removing the inner bolt. All right. Let's bear it. Whoop. It's right there. Front right. Front right, so it must be facing that side. It's a little bit worn out, but I think it'll still be good. But here's the brand new one. All right, it doesn't show any signs of like front right, front left, not like the other one. It's just like serial number, but I think it should be fine. All right, sway bar bushing is in. Now we're gonna do this part and that part. Let's see. There we go. Bring that part in. Let's see if we can put that in the hole, and then this one in the hole, and then the bottom. Ah, shit. All right, try again. Let's get it in. All right, it's in. Now the top part, it's in. All right, let's go for the nuts. Come on, don't fall. There you go. And bottom piece. Alright, one secured. Sorry I didn't have any videos of it doing it, but it's just tightening that bolt with Allen key in there so that it won't keep rotating. So we're gonna do it on the same on that side. So with this new one, the new nut is 3/4 instead of number 17. All right, bolt tight. The other bolt down there is tight. Let me try to see. So you can't wiggle it now. You can't move it. You can't move it anymore. That's how it's supposed to be. All right, and we got that in. So now we're gonna remove this. We're gonna replace this rotor and then pads. All right, bolt 1 and bolt 2 right there. It's removed right there. So now we can just pop this open. Make sure you're gonna tie it somewhere up there and remove this, and then remove the disc, and then we have loosened this screw up already that's holding the rotor. Right, that bolt, and then that bolt that's holding the brake caliper, or yeah. So remove the bolt and then remove this, and then that. All right, we removed it, and there's the new one. Got the new one in. Screw. All right, now we got this one. We're gonna put it back right there. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. We got the big bolt holding the bracket. We got new pads, springs, sliders, and ready to put this back on, and then tighten the bolt that's holding that. Bolts right there. All right, we got everything on there. Everything's back together. Now we're gonna put the tire, and we're gonna do the other side, the driver's side. So it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. Replacing this one. Make sure to test it. Look, can't move it. Earlier with the old one, it was shaking. So 1, 2 bolts, another 2 bolts in there, and then replace that. There's a metal piece right here that holds it. After removing the bolt, remove that piece, and then you can remove the rubber bushing, and that's it. And then the one holding this one is that screw right there. Bolt 1, bolt 2, and then the big boy bolt right there, and one in the bottom too right there. All right, so driver side done. New bushing and links, rotors, pads, sliders, bolts are in. Pads. Right, time to put in the tires. All right, test driving it. Brake is so good. It's so quiet now. It's fixed. Brake. Yep, it's good. Solid sound, no more rattles. Let's try the bumps. Ah, wow. All right, we fixed the problem. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.